Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to find warrants in the state of Tennessee. Now, to get started, visit TennesseePublicRecords.org. You can click on a link in the description, or if you have to, just type it into your browser and get here that way. So on the home page here, you will notice quite a few public resources available in the state of Tennessee. Some of these might be useful, but for this video we're just going to focus on warrants. So we have created special pages that just go into more detail regarding specialized searches. So anything from background checks to, if you hover over other records, inmate searches. And so there's a page here for warrants, and you can click on that, and what you'll notice is your options available to you. And there isn't a statewide system here for online warrant searches, but you do have certain counties that provide these databases direct. So if there is a database available, we have left a link here for you. If not, we have provided information that you could use to reach out to these counties, maybe police departments or sheriff's departments, where you can gain access to these to this information and ask your questions. Now, another thing to consider is using court information to find warrants. So anytime there is a bench warrant or an arrest warrant, it has to go through the court, through a judge. Anytime that happens, a court document is created, and depending on sensitivity of the case, this document is typically a public document. That's how court records work. So it just depends on exactly what's happening, but typically they're considered public records. So what you can do is you could use court records, and there's a special court page here. You could use court records to locate some of this information. Now, it's not always necessarily that there isn't always a statewide link for the court system in Tennessee. Sometimes you have to go to the county level, and so if you click on background checks and scroll down, we covered the most populous counties, and we're planning to add more and more counties. So let's say it's Shelby County. You could go to the county's or the Court of Clerks website here at the county level and just research their, do a case inquiry through their website directly. So you have multiple options. You could use county courts. You could use, contact the sheriff's department unless they offer a link to the database that they did display on the internet. Another thing that you can do is also, if you are looking for criminal information, another thing that you can do is utilize the search box on top. And what this does, it doesn't just look at county, it doesn't just look at statewide information, it goes outside the state. So it pulls records from multiple databases in multiple states. So let's say somebody has a criminal past in Texas or in Florida and they end up moving to Tennessee. You're not necessarily going to see what happened in those states if you're just checking local records. So in order to cover more bases, get more information regarding an individual's criminal past, you can utilize this database also to make your search even better. So with that said, TennesseePublicRecords.com, come on over and get started on your Tennessee warrant search. Thank you.